Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. The question is from JEE Main based on binomial theorem. Find the value of k if the fractional part of the number 2 raised to the power 403 over 15 is k over 15. The options are 14, 6, 8 and 4. So 2 power 403 over 15, we have to find its fractional part. That means we'll check out the quotient when it is divisible or divided. So what I'll do, I will write 2 power 403 can be written as 2 power 3 multiplies 2 power 400. Why I am writing 2 power 400? So I'll convert this as 16 power something so that I can apply binomial theorem. So 2 power 400 equals to 2 power 4 to the power 100, or this will be 16 power 100 into 8. Now 16 power 100 can be written as 1 plus 15 power 100. Using the binomial theorem, we can write this is 1 plus 100C1, that will be 100 into 15 plus 100 combination 215 square. I am not writing all the things, only to mention that it is a power of 100 in each term except this one. So 16 power 100 can be written as 1 plus 15 times of m, or 15's multiple, because I can take a 15 out of all this term. So now writing the question, 2 power 3 over 15 can be written as your 1 plus 15 times of m whole into 8, because 16 power 100 I wrote this one over 15. So this can be written as 120m times of m plus 8 over 15. So since this is divisible by 15, so this will be 8m plus 8 over 15. So 8 by 15 is the remainder, or is your fractional part. Fractional part of the number is k by 15. So comparing this as k by 15, k by 15, so this gives that k equals to 8. So which part is answer here? The answer is third is the answer. 3 is answer. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video.